Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Do you want a dream home but wish you could put your personal touch to it? Then look no further. This 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom home, nestled in the upscale community on Runaway Bay, is just waiting for you. The property is on just over half acre or 22,819 square feet of land, which is well fruited with fauna and flora, which adds to the aesthetic of the home. It has a lovely foyer, which is bright attributed by the high ceilings. It is followed by an open layout concept for the kitchen and dining area, adding to the space. The downstairs has a master suite with its own entertainment area on the left wing of the home, with two other bedrooms with bathroom on the other wing of the downstairs. Upstairs, you will find two other bedrooms with bathrooms. There is also a sitting area, bar, and a kitchen, which will become quite convenient when entertaining on the large balconies that captures the grounds and the mountains and ocean. Some other features of this home includes ceramic tiles and porcelain flooring, garden area, water tank, ceiling fans, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, fully walled, view of the mountains, easy access to amenities, family oriented, landscaped, road paved, and level lot. The asking price for this house is US 425,000 or Jamaican $65.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please visit the description area below. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.